Hello, guten Tag everyone. So today we are going to start with the Network's new A1 book. This is the sample PDF that I have downloaded. You can also find this book on the description. We basically have two books. One is course book and another one is Ubun's book. Here it's also the name is mentioned. Basically, course book is for audios and videos, and Ubun's book means exercise book. So don't confuse it. Firstly, any kind of audio or video you are going to listen in from your course book, and any exercise, any questions, and any part that we learn in grammar or in videos, then we are going to practice on Ubuntu. I hope this is clear to you because understanding the basic difference between these two books is really crucial and what is the purpose of each book. So always we are going to start with the course book because it has pictures and videos. So in between I will also link an audio or try to play videos in between if there is um, requirement of the question to be heard in audio or video. So let's start. So networks new A1 course book. Okay, so let's start. This is an index. So chapter 1, Guten Tag. So let's start. So basically what I started with my uh, introduction. This is Guten Tag. So what is Guten Tag? Guten Tag means good day. So good day. In German we say good day or Guten Tag, just like same. It's like saying not goodbye, but it's a wish kind of, just like you wish good afternoon, good morning, good evening. It's a kind of a greeting as well. You can understand it that way. So Guten Tag. So let's um, just start with this pictures. No need to be worried that you need to memorize these. Just listen to them, and we are going to jump to the next. So thus hand tush. So this is a hand towel. So thus hand tush, and this is a water bottle. So you can call it D Flasche in German. So make sure what is thus and what is D. So that's a different, and sometime you hear the there. See this. There's there also. What is this das D there? Uh, in English we don't have objects have any feminine or masculine gender types, but in German every non-living object is either masculine or feminine or neutrum. Neutrums mean neutral. So three types of genders you can say, and plural also. So plural also has the different segments. So we are not going to discuss it right now, but this is the this is three types: masculine, feminine, and so let me just write it down on the notepad or something like paint is the best. So I think so. Let me write down this on paint. So uh, text. So, okay. So there are three types of genders. Three types of genders. It's not based on any um, it's not matter, doesn't matter is the object living or not. So masculine, masculine. Any sorry if there's any spelling mistake by my side. I will try to rectify it. feminine, or neutrum, or you can say neutral. Neutral, neutrum, or you can just write in English. So later on you can check it. So let me just increase its font to 28 so you can see. Okay, so let me, can we increase its font size? So I hope you get an idea. I'm not able to click it again. So I hope you can are getting idea. So let me just uh, type here. So masculine has this mm, dare. We always use dare with masculine items. For example, any object that is masculine. Um, taxi. Yeah, dare taxi. Taxi means taxi. Simply taxi. You know taxi in English. So dare means taxi is a masculine object. Yeah, masculine object. So uh, feminine. D flasher. Flasher means water bottle. So remember that whenever I'm going to talk, say flash taxi. So pronunciation is a little bit different. I understand that. So you can say that this is not flash, this is flash. No, but this is flasher because in German pronunciation is bit different. So first time if you are hearing German, then definitely it sound a bit different to you. But trust me, with time you get idea and you get habitual to it. So that's not an issue. Hope so. Um, where and the another non-living thing, um, something that is non-living, and nitrom, autobahn, I think, right? Yeah, sorry. Mm-hmm. The autobahn. Thus, so thus brought, butter brought. So thus butter brought. So you can, yeah, thus butter brought. So taxi is masculine, flasher means water bottle is feminine, and neutral, that butter brot means bread butter is neutral in this case. So don't stress yourself. This is just an overview. In English, we simply write the, but here we had these three rings. For non-living objects, we usually specify objects with the object, the chair, sorry, the chair, the pencil, not the pencil, but the chair, the sun. So the chair we usually say. So let's move on. Not spending too much time and head scratching our head also. So just try to remember them. So das Handtausch means towel. The flasher means water bottle. The Kuffer means handbag, okay, or suitcase. Thus Wruschen. Wruschen is sausage. Uh, thus Wruschen. Der Kindergarten. Das Butterbrot. We talked about this. Der Kranke. Kranke means I'm sick. Um, die Autobahn and die Nudeln. So just don't scratch your head too much. You don't need to memorize them or remember them at all. You will uh, learn them with time. So hello. So let's directly jump, skipping all of this, and let's jump on this because this is not gonna help you at all. So I am going to start with this because this is important. Greeting is important. In here you can ask why we are not going by these questions also, but because you don't know how to understand how to do Sprachen, and special Sprachen means speaking, and how to solve and how to, you don't have a, what you can say, habit of uh, listening German, or we interchangeably use Deutsch. Deutsch also means German, so sometimes we use Deutsch in place of German, though both are same. So you don't have a habit of hearing German all day. So let's start, write it, and let's learn how to greet someone in German. So, hallo, hallo, tschüss. So, hello. I'm going to speak one by one. So, I'm going to play characters in this. So, as you can see, there are, I think, total three characters. So, I'm going to play them one by one. So, bear with me, or if you can pause the video and read this, then also good. If not, then you can hear me. Okay. So, hallo Nina, hallo Niklas, wie geht's? Danke, sehr gut. Und der? Ganz gut. Danke. So, hallo Nina. So you can play this and you can pronounce this. Pause the video and pronounce this. Try to. Okay. Danke gut. Und der? Now your turn. Pause the video. Okay. Good. Hallo, ich bin Julia. Und du? Wer bist du? Now your turn. Entschuldigung, wie heißt du? Tschüss, ciao. So in this there are three people, but I played two people's character and you have to play one people character. So most likely it's Julia. So you are going to play Julia here. And above you are going to play either Nina or Nicholas. So let's dive right in, and I'm going to ask you some basic question, and when I'm going to ask you, you need to pause the video, read this line, read this one. Okay, so let me get the highlighter. This one, this is highlighter. So you have to pronounce this line. So this is the question part, this is the answer part. So I'm going to ask you some questions and then you have to answer them. So for example, I ask you, hello, wie heißt du? So I'm asking you, who are you, or what's your name generally? So ich heiße Shivam. My name is Shivam. So you can tell your name. So ich heiße whatever your name is. And then I will ask you, wie geht's dir? Then you're gonna answer, danke sehr gut. And then I'm going to ask you, und der? Then you are going to answer, danke gut, auch gut, danke, or ganz gut. It's your choice. any of them any of them which are after the slash is going to be right. So this is an option, so you don't need to uh, pronounce them all. You can either answer danke gut, auch gut, danke, ganz gut. So all of them is going to be correct. So just like I can ask you where bist du and wie heißt du, or wie geht's dir, so you can answer me danke sehr gut, danke gut, auch gut, danke. So it's your choice. So either you can say just and ciao in for formal by. Ciao is informal and tschüss is also informal. So you can say bye bye. Uh, you can also say bye bye, or you can say ciao, tschüss. And this is a form. This is an informal bye. So make sure that. So I hope you are getting something, not much. Don't scratch your heads too much, because in starting, when I started learning German, I also faced the same issues. And trust me, with time it's get better and better. So first day, no one is a pro, everyone is a amateur, and Rome isn't built in a day. Remember this line throughout this journey, because I can understand uh, learning sometimes might feel harder, and it is something new to you and new to me as well when I started. But still, I'm learning. I'm in the phase of learning. Not I'm properly, you can say, proficient in German right now, or but maybe I will soon. Definitely for sure. So let's get started again. So this is so let's jump right dive in. So this is for you. You can read this and then you can answer this by yourself. I'm going to leave this on you. So I'm going to jump on this, right? So Guten Tag. Guten Tag, auf Wiedersehen. This is in a formal introduction. So auf Wiedersehen, see you soon. Guten Tag. Guten Tag means good day. Auf Wiedersehen means see you soon. See you soon. Right? So Guten Tag, wie heißen Sie? Hören Sie und lesen Sie, wie heißen die Personen? So let's see. Guten Morgen. Mein Name ist Nina Weber. So this, um, let's jump this. So Guten Tag. Guten Tag means good day. I told you this. So let me write this also. Good day. So let's write here. So Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen means good morning. So let me write this here. So below this, um, good morning, good morning, and Guten Tag means good day. Yeah. So Guten Abend means good afternoon, and Gute Nacht means good night. So yeah. So here, Guten Morgen. Mein Name ist Nina Weber. Guten Morgen, Frau Weber. Ich heiße Olivia Hasan. So what I'm going to play is um, so these are the two people. So I introduced them to you. One is Nina Weber and the one is Olivia Hasan. So what we are going to do, I am going to speak this line, then you are going to repeat this line, and then I'm going to ask you this, then you are going to pause the video, then you're going to answer this line. Remember that? So speak after me, or you can pause the video and then you can speak also. So Guten Tag, Frau Kowalski. Now pause the video and answer this line. Okay. Danke gut und einen. Okay. Hallo Frau Weber. Okay, gut. Guten Tag, Frau Kowalski. Mein Name ist Olivia Hassan. Olivia Hassan. Auf Wiedersehen, Herr Hansen. Tschüss, Frau Weber. Auf Wiedersehen. So, whatever the part I highlight, it's your speaking. मतलब it's your speaking in sprachen. So, whenever I'm going to say you sprachen, so that means you need to speak. And highlighted part is for you to speak. So you can pause a video or you can ask your friend. So they will also can help you if you have any helpful friends who can help you to learn this. So you can practice with them. So you can place in place of these characters, and then you can also talk. So I think uh, if you have any problem while speaking or so don't be afraid if you can't speak the way I'm speaking or you are having issues while reading these. So this is Heisen. So there are some word which I think that you are not getting at all. So one word I can say for sure is this one. That is, let me write this also. So this is Heisen. So you remember that Ich heises Ich in this where it is. So I asked you to introduce yourself, so I said Ich heiße. So this B symbol you can see Ich heiße. So let me write this heiße. So not this is not like so in my keyboard also I don't have this key. So let me highlight this properly. I need to use some other marker to highlight this. So this is the proper word. So you can see that this is a something like B. So it's not B. Yeah, you can see here. So it's Heiser. So here you can see that it's a Heiser. So it's not B, it's Heiser. Z. B, it's kind of a sound. It looks like B, but it sounds like S. Z. So it's Heiser. So I'm not going to confuse you with the if you do Z all. Just need to know that Ich heiße means I am Shivam. So my name is Ich heiße Shivam. So someone asks you, wie heißen Sie or uh, so you are going to answer or wie heißt du. So you are going to answer Ich heiße Shivam or whatever your name, Anjali, Priyanka, whatever. So you need to mention your name. Or you can say Ich bin also. That's also correct. I'm going to tell you all this. So you can also write this Ich heiße or Ich bin. So that's also correct. That's not wrong at all. So this is you can practice in your free time or you want to practice it now. I don't think that this is need to be repeated. So I think that you understand how you need to read it. So for example, then you say Guten Tag, then you say mein Name, das ist. So you are introducing someone in here. So you can see that in this picture you are meeting someone and you are telling about yourself, them about you. Then they are asking you, you want to go somewhere. So you are asking, no, I'm good. So then you are meeting someone else. The third person comes into the picture. Then you are saying goodbye. Auf Wiedersehen means it's a formal goodbye. So the difference between tschüss and Auf Wiedersehen So let me choose. So it's little bit different because I don't have that German keyboard in with me. But please cooperate with. You understand what I'm saying. So choose is right. Here you can see that this is an umlaut. So we will talk about them later. But choose is same all over. So choose spelling. Choose. Choose. I think choose spelling is what TSCHUS. So THCUS. Choose. If I'm not wrong this time also. So there is no U, but there is was just an umlaut. So it sounds like different. So there is no U in here. So now it's correct. Auf Wiedersehen. Auf. So Wiedersehen. Wiedersehen. So now we are going to ask what is the difference between if they both are for goodbye so or bye. So what is the difference between two of them? So there's a difference between formal and informal. So this is an informal way to say goodbye to someone, informal, and this is in a formal way to say goodbye to someone. So that's the basic difference I can say to saying goodbye to someone by in a formal manner or in an informal manner. So let's pause this now, and I think that's enough for now. I will definitely start, uh, but now I like to have the break. So, auf Wiedersehen.